Welcome back to SpadeCardMagic. Today I have a really cool 3-card beginner trick. So before I begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, I met a man at the fair and he showed me that he had 3 cards. Oh my gosh, that was a flash. Alright, I met a man at the fair and he showed me he had 3 cards. A black card, another black card, and a red card. And as he said that this is the money card I need to follow. And as he was explaining that to me, he took the top card and slipped it to the bottom. But I caught him. And then he showed me and said, no, that's just the black card. So then he gave me a chance to try and find the money card. So I immediately guessed on the top. And that was a black card. So then I guessed the middle. That was still a black card. So then he gave me easy mode and showed me that the money card was on the bottom. So then all I had to do was guess where one of the 2 black cards are. So I immediately guessed, oh, it's on the top. Nope, that was the money card. So then he gave me another chance, and that, I guessed the middle, but no, that was still the money card. Then he showed me he still had 3 cards. He's not playing any tricks on me. Then he gave me one final chance that he had a black card, a red card. Then what was this card? There was nothing there. Alright, this trick is very simple, and all you need are just 3 cards. So 2 that contrast each other like so, and 1 different one like this. So this is a blank card, and I actually have a tutorial on how to make a blank card if you're interested. And let's just get started from here. So make sure these 2 cards are contrasting, like very differently contrasting. And this one, it's very different as well. So you start with the card that the spectator won't see until the end on the top, and the other 2 cards below that. So now from here, you start with the double lift, and you show them this card. And then after that, you flip over the double, you pull over the top card, and then you show them that same card again, because they're not going to see this card. It was a double lift. And then from here, you flip it over, and you put it on the top, like so, and then you show them this card, and you put that all on top of this one. Make sure when you do it, you alternate the order, or the trick won't go that well. So it's double, then you flip it over, then it goes on top, show that, then it goes on top. So you alternate the order. And then from here, what you want to do, you want to slip a double lift, like so, or the top 2 cards, to the bottom. And just casually make it look like it's 1 card. And then from here, you show that it's actually a black card. And this will be the first time the spectator will get confused for this trick. And then you flip it back over. Now you want to do a different type of double lift. So carefully, you want to pull back just the top card, then push forward the second card. So this is what you have so far. You don't want to flash that though. You don't want to do that. And then what you want to do is you want to pull back the card with your index finger. Grab this corner very kind of tightly. Then you want to pull it back and roll it on your pad of your thumb. And if you do it too tightly, you might flash. But that's actually 2 cards. So what you're doing is you're actually grabbing this card and this card while leaving the middle card. So if we go over that again, it's you pull this back, you push this forward, you get that to the side, the middle card, and then you grab relatively tight and you pull it back and you show both cards as the black card. Then you put both of these cards on top. So it kind of moves around the order of the cards. Then you score it up. Then all you do from here, you spread the cards, then you pull out the middle card, show the middle card as a black card, then you push it back in the middle, the same spot, and close it up. Now, from here, you reveal that the red card was on the bottom the whole time. So now all the spectator has to do is go after the black card. But here, you're going to do the double lift from the middle again. So what you're going to do is pull back the top, push forward the middle, and then you're going to do that double turnover again, which shows the money card. And now the spectator will be confused again because they saw that card on the bottom. Don't flash this like so. And then you're going to do that move, and you're going to place it on top of this card like so, these 2 cards. And then you're going to do that same move again where you show the middle card. And then you put it back. And now here you want to reverse the order. And a simple way to do that is by showing the spectator that you have 3 cards. Then you pick it up and you show the spectator that you had the black card, the red card, and now the spectator actually hasn't seen this card at all through the whole trick. So now this time they will be like baffled seeing this blank card because they've only seen these 2 cards and they think you have a duplicate of this card. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on SpadeCardMagic.